Yeah. What's up, my beautiful people? It's your boy here by the name Kerende. Guys, it has been a long time me without being updated with you guys. So now I'm back, guys. This is the last time while I'm in school. So some more of the time I used it to study. So for now, but it is school time also. Now I'm outside for just some few works. When I enter there, then I won't come back, guys. So when I go on yesterday, I go through my channel and I saw there are some difficulties. So I decided to make today even a video, guys, to show you I'm alive. So yeah, can never disappoint you, my people, guys. Yeah, it's your boy here, Krende. Just continue subscribing if you are seeing me even without uploading the video. When this year goes to an end, not even November, I'll be finishing my national exam. So when I'll be finishing national exam, I'll be coming a parent outside here, and guys, then we shall now continue putting video daily after day. Yeah, guys, that is a promise. For now, I can't say that we can continue putting video per day. No, if I struggle making the video, henceforth the study is here, and my parents want me to see me with a good grade. Yeah, they want to see me with an airplane. A, yeah, A minor, B plus and above. In short, they want to see me with a B plus and above, guys. And I hope I'm going to make it, guys. Yeah. Yep. Now, guys, it's your boy here, Kerende. Let me introduce again for those who don't know my name. Yeah, guys, keep subscribing, guys. I'll never disappoint you when I'll finish the school. I'll just continue be making the video, guys. Yeah. And guess what, guys? Now, if I'm going to finish the school, I'm going to start a new project, which I'll be rearing chickens. Already I've started buying. Here I have three, guys. Look at them, they're here. They're three, guys. And I'll be building here. Let me show you. And I'll be building here, guys. This area that you see, there is no house here. You see, we have just fenced it because of people don't see outside. And here is just a kitchen garden. Have covered it with some traditional traditional things, guys. Yeah. And when it comes in terms of fence, I planted the flowers, so I won't put any wall or fence, because already we have just planted the flower. Yeah, the thing that I'm going to show you the things, guys. So, guys, when I finish the school, first I've showed you we are going to build there. Let me show you again for those who haven't seen. This is my compound. That in short, guys, see how looking it's good. You're going to build it there, guys, and then that will be the first step. Then the second step will be migrating these toilets here. It's very now, it has become now old. No, yes, look at it. It has now become old. When I finish the school, I'm the one who will be taking the responsibility to build the new toilets. Yeah, and I'll just put more effort. I'll work hard. I'll just work hard, and then I'll migrate that toilet from there. So here, people come from any the seats. They come from there and they are seeing it, guys. That will be the second step. The third step, which was to be putting the fence. Now I planted the flower. They have really grown, as you can see, guys. They have really grown. No need of putting the wall. Just see. If you want to put the flowers, if you want to to plant your flowers, just call me here. I've already just planting. You can see. Just call me. I have a good hand. Then I'll be planting for you the flowers. Yeah, guys. And yeah, just let me take you a look. This was to be the third step, as you can see it. Yeah, it was to be the look, guys. And here we have what, a calf or what? Yeah, my cows gave a bath, nigga. And this is the flower was the third step. After the flower, these houses, guys, plastering it with cement, you can see, but now also they are so new. It's just to plaster them with cement. Yeah, guys, to plaster them with cement. Then after plastering them with cement, let me show you where we should migrate the toilet to. Yeah, look at the flowers, guys. They have really grown. The flowers have really grown, and that is my maize, guys. You can see they have now put, the thing is to harvest, nigga. We shall migrate the toilets here. Yeah, here. Then the bathroom will be the fifth. Will be the fifth one. But since we have removed the wall, this one will be the fourth. Yeah, guys, you can see. But for now, it has helped us. People are taking bath inside here, guys. Let me show you. People are taking bath inside here. This is where you stand. Or no. You put your soap and your brush, then start taking bath. I'm sorry for those holes at the iron sheets. It's because of, and you remember, guys, these are this installation of the iron sheet. I removed it from my brother there, wellcome. He gave me, guys. So instead of throwing it away, you just put a small tube, a small bathroom. You know, you have seen it, how it looks like. Then this is my compound, guys. It really looks good. When I'll be rich, I'll make it clear. You can see even the flowers here, they have really coming. It's because of there is only one side which we haven't even planted flower. It's because of some few cases, guys, you know. Only this area, because it's the road area. So the reason why we haven't even planted here the flower, it's because we are going to build here, so that you can have even 3 houses. You know, now there are 2. We want to put the 3rd one there. Yeah, guys. Then after putting the house there, we won't put flower. We shall put now a wall or a wire mesh. Isn't a wire mesh barbed wire? No, not wire mesh. We shall put a barbed wire. Run towards there. That one you see down there. Yeah, guys. That's the things that I'm going to come to do when I'll finish the school. And at the end of this year, we shall have done even one project. And the project that I shall start with is the toilet. I shall migrate it from there, so to bring it here. So yeah, to avoid confusion. Yeah, you know, you sit at the benches here, then you are going to the toilets. How can you go to the toilet, people sitting here, guys? You can see we are just sitting here. Let me show you. We are just sitting on these benches, then somebody going to the toilet there. But even you see him or her going to the toilet, so it's a bad manner. Yeah, look at the compound, guys. It's so good. Yeah, I really love it, nigga. Yeah, those are now the houses. This is a plot of hire, guys. Not of hire, plot to sell. The owner of the land want to sell it. If you have money, please come fast as earlier, so that you can buy it. It's a big land. Also, it has a house there that's permanent, you see there. So he gave us the land. So at the time, we are just planting the maize. So you can see we have now planted the maize. Yeah, the maize is ours, guys. Nobody in maize. So yep. And the thing that I am doing that now in progress is that you can see this highway, guys, this road. I was just trying to, those holes that you are seeing, yeah, I was just trying to put a Kikuyu grass, so this area can be like this one. You can see, just want a good highway, neat. You can see, guys. Yeah, and I really want, I don't know, it's because of somebody's, no, we planted this maize ours here with one heart. Yeah, we didn't abuse nobody that they are grazing on our maize. So in this one here, planted on 2 hearts, nigga. have seen what has kimemramba. Yeah, you can see how the maze looks like, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm really happy. I'm so happy. But what I did, I saw in my channel, guys, and told, hey, just say, let me just make even a video to show you that I'm alive. I haven't even gone far. We are just there, and we shall make more videos, guys, as the days are coming. Okay, I'm with you, guys. Don't go. But let me assure you, things that I'm going to change in this compound, there'll be many. Yeah, I've shown you the steps. When you come inside, not the house, there are many projects. There are many things that we need to do, guys. Tumukia na chacha. Narai. Yeah, Kimoda. I'm just calling my brother. Kana ono mongeni riso kyorai. Asana mote tukuya. Tokumata tukuya rakoganya. Guys, I'm just talking with my brother here with our Freddy Ngong with our language. So yeah, look at even the Lisa new gate here, guys. Remember, for those who watched my first video, the first gate was not that one, okay? And already there are some many things here, guys, as you can see. Even the manual fertilizer. Okay, and we have a cat here also, eh? Yeah? Oh, okay, and we have a cat here. As you can see, it is playing. It looks like the one my brother have. Yeah, it looks like the one, guys. Oh my god, you can see. It's playing. You can see it's playing the car. Oh, let me name it, guys. Let me name that cat. How shall we call? The dog I named it Caicedo. Then the cat I should name it how? No, the cat belongs to. Okay, guys will tell me in the comments how should I name the cat, guys. You can see it's good. It's playing. Look at the cat, guys. And there is a dog here coming to disturb my Caicedo. You know, this is a male dog. Caicedo is a female dog. So every day that dog is coming here. I don't know what's. Look at this now. Let me show you Caicedo, guys. And there is a male one here coming to disturb my Caicedo, and I don't know what's that problem. Yeah, guys. Look at now Caicedo. Caicedo is just sleeping here. Let's greet Caicedo. It hasn't eaten lunch, guys. Caicedo, how are you? And see, it has not eaten lunch. You can see even its eyes, guys. It haven't eaten lunch. Yeah, it haven't eaten lunch, guys. This is Caicedo. You know, it really looks like Caicedo. Look. Ah, look at its house inside. This is Caicedo's house, guys. So it sleeps here, not at night, in the midday. Okay, and I also told you my chickens are here. I'm just going to rear them here. I shall build here house kitchen house. No, not kitchen, chicken house, guys. I'm sorry to say kitchen. My chicken house. Yeah, guys, now that was it. So I've shown you. Don't go, don't. It was just, guys. Okay, that was all about the things that I'm going to do in my home or in my compound at my home. Anything, guys, or anything, you know. So I'm going to do those things. So in just a few days coming, we shall continue with some small projects. You start with small, you go to the big. After big, you go to the higher. So you're just going to start with small, guys. Yeah, guys, I was just then greetings to you. Just want to finish the video here. Yeah, guys. Yeah, for those who are watching the video and you haven't even yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe, comment, share my videos, guys. And for the coming subscribers, feel much well comfortable. Yeah, guys, keep supporting me. I row for now. Let me see. I row to 500 subscribers. Then after 500 subscribers, that is when I'll be finished the school. So then to 1,000 guys. So yeah, that's what is it. Something that I realized, I was 170 subscriber. No, 170, 160. When I waked up to 157 subscriber, guys, I was just like, serious? Oh, but they are just two. But those two, even there are many guys. You are unsubscribing me. Okay, let me cry inside the heart, guys. So let's meet in the next episode, guys, as you continue watching my videos. Bye bye.